Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Hi Aquarius, air sign. This is November mid-month reading. This is general, may or may not resonate to everyone. So take what resonates and leave the rest. Energy could be vice versa, guys. So let's see what are the messages for you and what's going on. Aquarius, what are the messages for you? Lot of cards. I'm not taking any of these. Aquarius, what are the messages for you? Under the deck, 3 of cups, 2 of swords, the lovers, maybe you're dealing with Gemini here, 5 of wands. I think for some, one person have options in this connection, there is some competition is going, and for some, you both have some disagreements between you and your person, there are some arguments, fightings are going right now. Yeah, there is love between you and your person, but you are at some crossroads right now. You have to make some choice or you have to make some decision regarding your love life, regarding your relationship, or regarding your career, whatever, something you have to make some decision here, but right now you can't. And 3 of cups, so for some third party involved in this relationship, maybe family could be the issue, friends could be the issue here, but I'm seeing you celebrating your career here. There is some success, especially in your career, Aquarius. So let's see your reading. Recent past, 7 of wands, 7 of pentacles, and king of swords. Maybe your person always keep putting you on waiting. um, so you fed up with this waiting game, then you are in a defensive mode, then finally you took control of the situation, king of swords. Yes, because you can't wait anymore, you fed up with the waiting. Then present, 2 of cups, 3 of wands, and 10 of wands. Yes, this is a mutual love between you and your person, but there is no mutual responsibility. They always taking, not giving in return, what I'm getting here. That's why you turn your back of the situation. And uh, because you're feeling overburdened here, because one person always taking their responsibility but other person is always in and out of your life. I think that relationship become like a one-sided. So 10 of wands, you're feeling like overburdened here, that's why you're taking off from the situation here. Then future, the chariot, magician, and 4 of pentacles. So yes, you are moving forward here and you're manifesting whatever you want and whatever you're wishing for. And you're not opening up to anybody, you are emotionally don't want to open up to anybody, and there is some money loss for you for some. So be careful, 4 of pentacles. Maybe you have not enough money to do some work or to do something like that. And the person involved in this connection could be Aries, Leo, Sagittarius, Pisces, Cancer, Scorpio, or Capricorn, Virgo, Taurus. So Aquarius, let's see your person current feelings and their intentions. Then we will get more clarity what is going between you and your person. Under the deck, the Fool. Maybe they want a brand new beginnings with you. So let's see their current feelings and intentions. So let's see their intentions. Under the deck, 10 of Pentacles, King of Cups, Two of Wands and Eight of Swords. Right now your person feeling stuck here. Yeah, they really want to come forward and want to offer their cup of love to you, King of Cups, but they can't right now because they are feeling stuck. And Two of Wands, they're thinking about you a lot, and lots of you are in long distance relationship here. And 10 of Pentacles. But one thing is sure, maybe other marriage is involved in this connection, other person is there in your person's life, and kids also involved, but they are also want to be with you. So the current feelings, the Hangman, Seven of Swords and Three of Cups. So they hide something from you. Definitely some sneaky energy here. So right now your person feeling stuck. Maybe recently you came to know about the truth of this person. Yeah, third party. I'm getting third party here. Then their intentions, Knight of Swords, Knight of Wands and Ace of Cups. I think they are not doing anything right now because uh, situations are not under your person control. They're just wishing and they're just thinking about you but not making any proper move because Nine of Wands, again they are guarded up, and Nine of Swords, but they're thinking about you, they're missing you a lot and they do love you. Ace of Cups is here, but they're not making any move right now. Right now, they're not making any move because they did hurt you, Seven of Swords. Maybe they have regrets. That's why they're not making any move. Are they feeling stuck? So, let's pull some cards from universe where this relationship is headed on. Lots of you are in twin flame journey here. Yeah, Page of Cups. So they want stability and they want to offer their cup of love to you, or they want to say apology here. And Two of Swords. Again, they're at some crossroads. Something is stopping them here. They have regrets here, but you are taking leap of faith. You are going with the flow and living in the present moment, and there is some stability is coming in your finances, and you are doing your own thing here, Aquarius. Yes, you are on your power. You are taking care of yourself. So let's see mutual energies and final outcome between you and your person. Yeah, apology is coming. Right now this connection is stuck. You both are in no contact situation, especially you are focusing on your money, you're focusing on your career here, Aquarius, but they're rushing to communicate with you, but it will take time. Right now your person is guarded up and they are stuck. Maybe after some time they will make a move towards you and they will say apology to you and they will give explanation to you what happened in their life. So let's see some messages from your person and through the channel, Aquarius. Definitely a person involved in third party here. Reunion is coming. Text is coming and third party involved. See what I say, it is here. So let's see some messages from your person and through the channel. Be bold and make the first move. The energy is gaining momentum and bring love into the situation. New moon in Aquarius. Maybe you are dealing with another Aquarius. So this is the reading for you guys. Hope it resonates to you. Please do share, like and subscribe my channel and click the bell icon. Then you will get all my video notifications. Thank you so much for watching and supporting me. Thank you.